Let's dive into the world of brake rotors and rust prevention. It's a real bummer when you park your car outside during rainy seasons only to return to rusty brake rotors. Trust me, it's the bane of many car owners, right? Um, one common pain point is the lack of preventative knowledge. Most people don't even realize rust is creeping onto their brake rotors until they hear that awful grinding noise. And let's tackle this issue head on with some handy solutions. First, the quick fix, WD-40. While not a permanent solution, this can provide a temporary barrier against moisture. Remember, it's a water displacer, not a lubricant. Pro tip, apply sparingly and avoid spraying directly on brake pads. Moving on to a more robust solution, high temperature brake rotor coatings exist out there. These coatings can form a protective layer over your rotors, staving off rust before it even thinks of forming. Think of it as sunblock, SPF 100 for your brake rotors. For those who want a DIY solution, a thorough cleaning with brake cleaner is essential. This removes existing rust and debris, ensuring any protective product adheres well. And just ensure that your area is well ventilated. Those fumes mean business. After cleaning, apply a rust inhibitor spray. These sprays bond with the metal to prevent future rust formation. The application is straightforward. Just spray evenly over the rotors. Trust me, maintaining this routine saves you cash and trips to a mechanic. If you're looking to be extra cautious, consider using a ventilated car cover. This helps limit moisture exposure without trapping humidity inside. Portland's weather can be tricky, but keeping your car covered can significantly reduce rust risks. Keeping a dehumidifier pack in your car can also work wonders. And these packs absorb excess moisture from the air, working quietly to keep your interior spacious and rotors rust-free. It's like having your little army fighting rust around the clock. Some might wonder about ceramic or carbon rotors. Yes, these materials resist rust better, but can be overkill for most typical rides. And they're costlier, yet offer longevity for those serious about premium car care. Remember to check your rotor thickness regularly. Even with preventive sprays, thin rotors are more prone to rust. Keeping them within recommended thickness ensures better brake performance and fewer rust issues. If you live in a particularly rainy area, relocating your parking to a drier or covered spot is ideal. Think of it as giving your car a nice break from all those shower. It's the simplest way to ensure long rotor life without fancy products. Lastly, making this preventive care routine part of your car maintenance habit is crucial. It's not just about one-time fixes. Consistent care will give you peace of mind next time it pours outside. Your car and wallet, well, thank you. Embark on this journey to rust-free rotors. Knowledge combined with action spares you the headache of costly repairs and gives you the calm of safe driving no matter the weather. Now, go out and pamper those rotors.